So 3 months ago, I had an issue with the Forerunner. Check engine and traction control light was on. So I checked using my OBD2 and I discovered that I have a P2444 code, which is secondary air pump. I did some research and found a few solutions. Either I get a new pump, remove all the pump, and bypass the pump. So I went in and got me a Hewitt Gen 2 secondary air injection bypass kit. Video installing the Gen 2 on my Forerunner.
Real slow passenger. Give me a little driver if you can. You might flop yourself a little bit. Okay. Alright, take your time. You're going to be coming down here in just a second.
It's over there, if you can see. I'm gonna try to unplug it. We'll see. I gotta take out the compressor. Quick update. So I was able to remove 4 bolts underneath the air compressor, but I'm not there yet. So that was a pain. Let me tell you this now. It's a pain to, like, no space to work. Ay, ay, ay. So we'll see if I can unplug this. God. I'll be back. So update, I was able to remove yung connector, the one with the black and red. I had to put electrical tape on it. Okay, I was able to take it out. So this is that needs to be replaced. So I'm gonna use number 2 Phillips screwdriver here and put this. Alright guys, a quick recap. So we did that, we removed those, we taped that, so that's the one over there, it's taped, and we did that already. We unscrew and we used that. They have provided us a new screw, and where we at now. So we're gonna put it back and then connect that wire. Oh, sorry. We're gonna put it back and then connect that wire to this big wire. So basically that wire is over here. That one, we're gonna connect that. But first I think I'm gonna connect it first and then put it back on the location, and we go from there. It's connected now. You see, they're all connected there. And now that one, I gotta unplug this and connect here, and then connect this to that valve, and then this one to that wire over there, and then we're gonna do it on the other side, and after that we should be almost done. Okay, and now the wire is connected. Now we have to take out that plate over there. See it? We're gonna take out this plate and then put the provided where's it at? Provided backing plate like this one. Okie dokie. So I'm trying to put the plate to put it in between that. So there's the gasket. I don't know if you can see it, but oh, there's no room here. There's that gasket over there. So I'm trying to put the plate, right? The plate that to cover this. Problem is, look at the size. This is way small than like for the, see what I'm saying? That's the last that it goes here, but on the other side is way short. So I don't think it's gonna be an issue. It still cover that tube, but so I don't know if you can see it. That one, the top is connected, right? That top over here, it's connected. Come on, the bottom is not. So I don't know, hopefully there's no leak after this. Just a quick recap. So they're all now connected. Let's see. There's the wire. Goes on this side. And it's connected on that side as well. And put back the ARB air compressor. Okay. Clean up the wire a little bit. Alright, let's see if there's still engine light and traction control light. Traction control off. It's been 5 minutes and we didn't see any lights. So that's it. We are good to go. No more lights.